Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm actually vlogging. I have been thinking about vlogging for a while, but I've just been like, I think I've been scared because I'm like, who wants to know what you're doing behind this? Like no one cares. Get over yourself. But I thought it would be good content for my YouTube channel to like show you guys like behind the scenes, you know, not only like, you know, the finished product, but you know, how I shoot, all this kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing in my vlogs. Gonna be doing like behind the scenes and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy. This is actually my first vlog, guys. So if it's a little bit, you know, all over the place, just forgive me. I probably will get better. I'll get the hang of it as I continue to do it. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a bit of unboxing because I got myself a few things. If you don't know, a few days ago, like on Wednesday was my birthday. So thank you so much to all of you who wished me a happy birthday, especially on Instagram and on Facebook. So thank you very much. But today I'm going to be doing an unboxing because I got myself some stuff from Amazon and it was actually a birthday gift to myself. I said to myself that I was going to invest in my YouTube career. I got myself some new lights for my YouTube channel, and I also got myself a full-length mirror. I've been dying to do like mirror selfies, and I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna go get the mirror. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though because I don't have any space in this room, and this is the room that I do most of my recording, and I'll show you guys when I do the unboxing. But yeah, so first of all, let me show you my current lighting situation and why I want to change my lights. So I'm going to show you guys what I currently use, and you guys like it's ratchet. Well, not ratchet, but so I might have to turn off the light, but you can see here I just have my ring light, which is what I use. This ring light was from Neewer. I'll leave it in the description box. A really good ring light. And then I have these two side lights. Now, those two lights, they were actually from a softbox, but I just hated like the filter that the softbox came in. Like it used to give like a really horrible yellow cast to my videos, and I didn't understand where the yellow cast was coming from. I was like, what's going on? And then I realized it was from like the, you know how the softbox comes with like a covering? I realized it was from the covering, so I took it out. But what's not happened is since I've taken it out, I still get the yellow cast, but it's not that bad. However, it's not covered, you can see. And so the light sometimes can be very harsh. So what I've done is I do face it upwards so that it's not facing me directly. But I decided that I wanted to upgrade, you know, I wanted something better than that. So I ordered the newer, I think they're called the 660 LED lights. And I ordered that because I think you can control the temperature. You can do either like really bright daylight, or you could do like yellow lights and stuff like that. So I ordered that, and yeah, so that has come. I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys and show you guys that. Also, I did get a full-length mirror. And like I said, I don't know where I'm going to put the mirror because there's really no space in this room. There's no space at all in this room. But yeah, hopefully I'll find somewhere to do it. So let me go get the boxes and then we'll do an unboxing. So this is the box, guys. It's gonna come closer. So this is the box, and it says Neewer LED photography light. This is the box. I'm gonna let guys, so this one that I got, I didn't actually get with the stand because I already have stands. So I just bought the ones without the stand, and it comes in this like little carry case here. Very compact. I like that. I hope they're bright though. right, guys, the lights, they're bright enough. I only have the white lights on right now. I'm gonna show you guys the yellow lights so you guys can see how the yellow lights will look. And if I step out, for some reason my camera just goes really dim. But yeah, these are the lights. So I'm gonna turn off the white one, and I'm gonna, so you can see, so this is like the yellow light. I'm gonna do the same with this one. So this is, let me turn off the ring light, right? So you can see it better now, right? With the ring light turned off. So you can see it gives like this sort of yellow. I probably need to be, okay, let me put my camera the other way. So this is full blast, guys. I don't have my ring light on, and I actually think it's quite bright. I mean, it's bright enough for what I want it for. It's bright enough for what I want it for, so I'm pretty happy with it. I like the size because it's not like massive like soft boxes. I don't have a lot of space here. This is just the corner I shoot all my videos in, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Now I have my ring light off, and I think I actually like how it looks. It's actually really soft. There are actually filters on the lights. If you don't want the filters, you can take them out, but I definitely think I'll be using the filters because I can already tell that the lighting is softer than, you know, the bulbs that I was using before that were like really harsh. So I'm pretty happy with that. So that's the Neewer 660 lights. Now, oh my god, I'm tired. Now it's time to unbox the mirror. And for that, I honestly don't even know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna go get the mirror in. I'm gonna tidy up a little bit and get the mirror in. It's pretty full length. Yeah, I love this. Oh my god. I was scared that it wasn't gonna be full length, but it is. Let me see. So you can see like my whole reflection going on. So I guess, yeah, I don't know what's up with my camera. It keeps going dark and coming back up. So yeah, guess I could take mirror selfies in this. So yeah, if I step back, I definitely can take like mirror selfies. All right, guys, so that's what I got for myself for my birthday. I got the Neewer lights 660, and I also got this mirror right here. Definitely going to be using that to do more fashion content. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the two items that I got. I haven't used them, so I'm not gonna give like a full review, so it's kind of like first impressions. I'm pretty impressed. I do like the Neewer lights, and I do like the mirror as well. It's full length, and the mirror is really heavy, like it's really sturdy. I didn't even know it was going to be that sturdy, because you know, you read reviews and sometimes you're like, it was really sturdy. It was well packaged and everything, so there weren't any cracks or anything like that. So I'm pretty happy with that. So guys, yeah, that's my vlog for the day. Because I don't want this video to be too long, don't want this vlog to be too long. Just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I picked out, and me just like installing them and putting everything together, which I have done. And now I need to go make lunch. I don't think I have the strength to record that because I need to be quick. My husband will soon be back, and my kids also need to take their afternoon nap, so I have to go put them to sleep. So that's all for this vlog. Hopefully I'll be doing more vlogs, you know, more content and all that good stuff. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and remember, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. Also hit the notification bell. I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, and I'll also be vlogging once a week here on YouTube as well. So everything from lifestyle, skincare, beauty, all that good stuff, I'll definitely be putting out there. Some tech things as well, in case you guys are looking for like equipment, budgets wise equipment and stuff like that. I'll be putting all that info on my vlogs as well. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.